Alright. It is Tuesday, February 5th, 2019 at 12:23 p.m. Let's take a look at the weather. Alright, Winter Storm Lucian dumps heavy snow on the west and will spread a mess of snow and ice into the Midwest. Winter Storm Lucian is producing snow across the west. Snow, sleet, and freezing rain will begin to spread in the Midwest on Tuesday. An ice storm warning is in effect for a portion of the Midwest, including Chicago. Accumulating snow is expected in the northern plains and upper Midwest. A mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain will also affect upstate New York and New England. Winter Storm Lucian has already brought some heavy snow to the west and will spread a mess of snow and ice across parts of the plains, Midwest, and interior Northeast Tuesday through Thursday. Happening now. Lucian was produced several areas of snow across the west as of Tuesday morning, including a very low elevations in California and valley floors across parts of the region. Snow, sleet, and freezing rain from Lucian will begin to increase in parts of the Midwest on Tuesday and Tuesday night. The storm brought significant snow to Seattle on Monday. You can find a full recap on Lucian history at the bottom of this article. Alright, the National Weather Service has posted winter storm warnings, winter storm watches, and winter weather advisories across several states in the West. In the Midwest, an ice storm warning is in effect Tuesday afternoon or evening through early Wednesday morning in parts of northern Illinois, including Chicago, as well as southeast Iowa and as far as northwest Missouri. This means ice could not only cause travel problems, but also may damage trees and knock out power. Winter weather advisories are also in effect of the Midwest from eastern Kansas to Michigan for snow, sleet, or freezing rain. In those areas, travel could be hazardous due to icy conditions. Below is the latest thinking on the forecast for this long-track winter storm, but keep in mind that changes are possible. Tuesday night forecast. Snow will continue in mountain west, including in valley locations such as Salt Lake City. Further east, an initial wave of precipitation from this storm will break out over the upper Midwest and Great Lakes. This will result in a band of freezing rain or sleet impacting an area from eastern Kansas, northern Missouri, and southern Iowa, eastward to the southern Great Lakes, likely including Chicago, Milwaukee, and Detroit. Snow is expected from the Dakotas into Minnesota, northern and central Wisconsin, and northern Michigan. A broad area of snowfall may continue from the Rockies into the northern plains and upper Midwest. Increasing winds in the upper Midwest and northern plains may lead to reduced visibility. There will also be a band of freezing rain and sleet that extends across lower Michigan, southern Wisconsin, and parts of Iowa, northwest Missouri, and eastern Kansas. Much of New England and parts of northern upstate New York could see freezing rain, sleet, or snow by Wednesday or Wednesday night. Thursday to Thursday night forecast. Snow and strong winds may continue to affect the upper Midwest and northern western Great Lakes. A band of sleet and freezing rain may extend from parts of Missouri to northern lower Michigan. Parts of New England and the higher terrain of upstate New York may also see a mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain. Plains and the Midwest. Several inches of snow could accumulate Tuesday through Thursday from the Dakotas and Nebraska and parts of northern Iowa, Minnesota, northern and central Wisconsin, and northern Michigan. The best chance for totals of 6 inches or more appears to be from eastern Dakotas and northern Iowa into Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, and the upper peninsula of Michigan. A zone of icing is likely Tuesday through Thursday for northern Missouri and eastern Iowa into northern Illinois, southern Wisconsin, and lower Michigan. The ice could slicken roads and may also weigh down tree branches and power lines. Locations in the ice storm warning from southeast Iowa to far northwest Missouri into northern Illinois have the greatest risk of possible scattered power outages for broken tree limbs later Tuesday through early Wednesday. Some icing may extend into parts of the interior Northeast as well, particularly from eastern portions of New York State into Vermont, New Hampshire, and western central Massachusetts. More than a foot The foot of additional snow will coat the highest elevations in the west through Wednesday. The Salt Lake City metro area will also see several inches of snow into Tuesday and Wednesday. Sunday into Monday night, more than 6 inches of snow coated parts of Seattle metro area, including 9 inches of the northeast downtown area near Redmont and 8 inches just across Lake Washington from downtown to Bellevue. Seattle-Tacoma International Airport officially picked up to 2.7 inches of snow. Alright, that's pretty much that. Let's take a look at the 120-hour forecast map of snow. In the next 120 hours, this is where the snow will be falling. Let's take a look at the National Weather Service. Here we have winter weather advisories for south and northeastern Kansas, for northwestern Missouri, for southwestern Wisconsin, southeastern Minnesota, and northeastern Iowa, for southwestern Michigan, also for northeastern Montana, central Montana and Great Falls, northern and northeastern Nevada, and southern Nevada, southeastern California, northeastern Arizona, Las Vegas area. That's where they have the winter weather advisories. They also have an ice storm warning for eastern Iowa and northeastern Illinois, the Quad Cities. They also have a wind chill advisory for eastern Missouri and west central Illinois, for central Indiana, and for southern Illinois and Indiana, southeastern Missouri, and western Kentucky. Alright, let's take a look at the full screen radar. Right now there's rain happening around New Orleans, around Jackson, Mississippi, and Little Rock. Below Little Rock there's also rain. There's snow happening near Sacramento and Bakersfield in California. There's some snow happening around Salt Lake City. Some snow happening close to Yakima and Walla Walla. There's also snow mix happening near Des Moines, Iowa, and Sioux Falls and Minneapolis. Alright, let's take a look at the current temperatures right now. Pretty much the southeast, all the way from Texas, all the way to Virginia, it's pretty much in the 50s and 70s. 70s, 60s, and 50s. It's pretty much warm in the southeast right now. It's cooler in the middle states of Montana. It's -11, -8. Washington has 22 degrees. California has 37, 40, 47, and 52 degrees. Texas has 60, 53, 62, 70, and 71 degrees. Louisiana has 68 and 67 degrees. Florida has 69, 71, 69, and 76 degrees in Miami. Georgia has 63 degrees. South Carolina has 69 degrees. North Carolina has 62, 68, 67, and 51 degrees. Virginia has 65 degrees. Washington has around 64 degrees. Maine has 36 and 52 degrees. Massachusetts has 57 degrees. And Vermont has 46 degrees. So it's pretty much warming up. I'm not even sure if it's gonna snow again here in North Carolina, but hopefully we get to see more snow. It's still winter. It's only February, but you never know. Alright guys, see you next time. Hit like and subscribe, and God bless.